for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am going to do a big piece. This is a 30 by 48 inch artist loft canvas, just a level 1. I have a commission piece for this, and I'm going to do a Dutch pour-ish. Kind of a Dutch pour, but then I kind of add a little funkiness to the end pieces. So I am going to use Artist Loft's Flow White for the base. I'm using, so I combined these two together. I wanted like a metallic turquoise. So this is Decoart's Dazzling Metallic Peacock Pearl, and this is Blinkrylic's Turquoise. So I mixed the two together for that. I'm using Creative Inspirations Ultramarine Blue, Creative Inspirations Pearl Lake, Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Violet, and then I'm using Rustoleum's Metallic Glacier Blue. So let me get my base down. The reason why I always say Dutch pour-ish is because I normally paint with a little bit thicker paint than you would use for Dutch pour, and so sometimes I kind of have to improvise because it doesn't, hopefully I have enough made, it doesn't always move like I want it to. Oh, pink. She's right underneath my feet. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of go like something like that.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a
the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you.
Alright, so I took the whole center out. It was just way too much paint in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my paints back on here in the middle and
Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Ooh, hold up, baby, don't take it. In a friendship, if they just fake it, you don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need to cleanse, clear the shit out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Girl, it's time you put yourself first. Go and get the love you deserve. Stop by screaming out the word. No, 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 no. Don't let anyone put you down. Stand up straight and hold your head high. Stop by saying it out loud. No, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no.
alright, so I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. I'm really happy with it now because the colors are more vibrant and I like that. I got some cool cells and I still got it kind of funky, not your average Dutch pour, which I like because I like different. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I hope this wasn't too long of a video. I'm going to, obviously you would know by now that I'm going to speed some up and play a little music for you so you don't have to watch the full whole amount of time because it took a while to get this done and get it right. But I'm definitely happy with it now. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And will like and subscribe and share and comment and all that fun jazz. I appreciate your guys' support. I hope everybody is healthy, staying safe, and yeah. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye-bye.